All right, guys, let's have a look at MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. So today, MSTR is down 5.6%, while BTC is down 3.4%. A couple days ago, I was talking about MicroStrategy, saying that this is pretty good, actually, rebound off the 50-day moving average, reclaiming 50-day moving average, and Bitcoin having a 10% rally. But Bitcoin gave it all back very fast. In 2 days, whatever the 10% rally it had, it's gone. And now it's sitting at the support again. So is it going to chop now? What's going to happen now from here? So if you take a look at the overall market, maybe you see a little bit of a risk off, and appetite for risky assets could be going away. If you take a look at the bond yields, TLT, which I keep an eye on. If you just want to keep an eye on overall, like what's going on with the US bonds, you can go take a look at the individual ones. But bond yields rising. So 10-year is 4.7. And that's not a good sign for overall market. And especially it is for the risky assets. You can take a look at what stocks have done when yields went crazy. Last time 10-year was around the peak, 4.9? It was October 2023. So we're right back at this level. And today, is Jerome Powell going to be the pivotal point where we're all waiting for FOMC, which is in 2 hours or so, 1 hour or so. And overall market is just basically choppy as well. And if you take a look at the large cap names, such as, Nvidia's, Apple, Google, Meta, Amazon, Tesla's, Microsoft, they're all in a waiting mode, right? So as soon as you see large caps sell off, you watch out for small caps, because small caps are very, very rate sensitive, and market so far has been sort of ignoring it. And if it does go a little bit lower, market can just go throw the towel and just, VIX has been rising. Yeah, there's a little bit of a hedging going on. But if VIX goes crazy, MicroStrategy can go to $200 very, very fast, with Bitcoin slipping below its 200-day moving, the 50-day moving average of 92,000 at the moment. Again, I'm not telling that it has to happen or it is going to happen, but there's a probability of it happening fast. Last time when I talked about when is the best time to trade MSTR, again, this is purely my opinion, is when Bitcoin has a momentum, whether it is to the upside or to the downside. When Bitcoin moves fast, MicroStrategy moves a little bit faster, a little bit more. When Bitcoin moves 10%, you're seeing MicroStrategy move 30%. So if Bitcoin, let's say, corrects, maybe comes tests 85, this is the next level of support area, 87, maybe even tries to fill this gap somewhere around here when we had in November 77. What about if Bitcoin comes down to 70K? The MicroStrategy's break-even price for their coins is 62,500, I believe. And their holdings at the moment, their holdings valued at 41.8 billion. Market capitalization of the stock is around 78 billion. So again, I'm not telling you what to do. Talk to your financial advisor. But unless the stock gets back above 50-day moving average, which is $350 levels, and then the recent highs of 360, I'm not going to be watching this name to the downside. It can definitely be in a premium burning mode and it get trapped between this 282 and then $360 level for quite a bit before it breaks below and tests possibly the $200 move moving average and $200 level. It's both at the same spot. How about probability of that happening by March 21st? So I'm just taking a look at the contracts, which are extremely expensive. According to option market, there is 20% chance, 21% chance of that happening. So by March 20th, MicroStrategy hitting $20 strike price. So, but again, ultra short term today, I did try to day trade it, but I didn't get filled. It was pretty good setup right here to go short and up until this $320 support area to trade. I was going to go for $300, $2, didn't get filled, and then these contracts went as high as $5-6, I think. But I'm watching MicroStrategy to burn premium if Bitcoin just basically gets pinned. But if overall market starts bouncing, that's good, because overall market does not feel like it wants to go higher, and it's struggling to go higher, or even struggling to recover above its 50-day moving average. Especially SPY, you can see failed breakout and then went lower. And then Nvidia, largest stock, I mean, today it was hovering around 50-day moving average. So it's hovering around 50-day moving average. But if these names do sell off, why not for risky assets to sell off more? Because usually when you see large caps pull back, you see risk assets pull back even more. So watching carefully MSTR, but I'm not trading it yet. If there's going to be some sort of a daily opportunity, I might day trade, but premiums are expensive. Market is still open, couple more hours. Just by looking at the put to call ratio, I can say a lot of people are selling those calls. 64% of the calls, the volume that came in today, are premiums that have a delta between 0 and 20, which is far outside of the money. So, but again, this is just my opinion. We are looking at both scenarios, but three things. Either it's going to chop if Bitcoin gets pinned. If market moves lower, it can move lower fast. But to the upside, it doesn't look like it is a good time to go long, especially after BTC wiping 5 days of gains in freaking 2 days. But again, we know it is a volatile asset. It can go up and down, and it can try to recover back to 100K again. But it is at 93, 94K right now. So that's why I'm watching with cautiously watching risky assets. But if IWM in general cracks below its 200-day moving average, it's not looking good. So that's the update for MSTR. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Check the links below for free Discord and Patreon and all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Peace.